Hey guys, we're going to be going over the third grade review, and we're going to start with number 1. It says Miss Bendeley scored 70,902 playing a video game. What's another way to write that number? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand it. So 70,900 and then 2. Okay, so this says 70,903, so that's wrong. This says 7,000, not 70,000, so that's wrong. 70,902. So here we go. Letter C. Number 2. Miss Wilson has 36 rabbits to put into 3 cages. She wants the same number in each cage. She sketches a diagram. Which of these diagrams best represents her cage? So if we multiply this is 9 times 4, that's 36. That's correct, but this says 3 cages, not 4 cages, so that's wrong. This is 6 times 6 is 36, but it says 3 cages, so that's wrong. 12 times 3 is 36, and this says 3 cages, 1, 2, 3, and there we go. Okay, number 3, Miss Samaniegos. Snow Shop has 965 cones. Then they used 452. So if they use them, that means we're going to subtract. So 965 minus 452. Okay. Then it says on Saturday they received. So if you receive something, you're going to add it 350 more. So look at your answer choices, and D is correct. Okay, number 4. Miss Rigney bought packages of dog treats. She bought 4 packages with 6 treats in each package. Then she bought 1 package of 9 treats. All right, so we have to find the total number of treats. Okay, so if we have 6, we're going to do this part first. So 6 times 4, that's first, and then we have to add our 9. So 6 times 4, it's got to be 24, and then plus the 9 is 33. So B is correct. For number 5, Ms. Nelson has a box of 400 sticks. Then she used 126 of them. Then she bought 95 more. So how many sticks does she have now? So we're going to start with our total. This is our total. So 400. And then when we use something, we subtract. So we subtract 126. And we are going to have to borrow, so this is going to be 3, 9, 10, and we get 274. Okay, then it says you bought, so that means you add. So 274 plus 95 more, and we add that together. 369. So your correct answer is B. Number 6, which is equivalent to 7 10,000ths? So this is 10,000. This is 1,000. This is 100. And this is in the ones. So 7 times 10,000, that's 70,000. then 2,000, that's 2,500, that's 509, okay? So we add that together, we should have 72,509, okay? So we're looking for the one that's correct. It says 72,590. That's not 90, that's a 9. This is 700,000. That's not the same as what I have. This is 10,000, 10,000, 2,000, 2,000, 500, 500, and there we go. All right. So, third graders are earning points for a pizza party. Miss Wukash has 497 points. Miss Rankin has 403. So, which equation cannot, this is a big one, be used to determine how many points? So, if we want to know how many more, that means we're going to be subtracting. So when you subtract, you always put the biggest number first. So we're going to have 497 minus 403 equals something. Now you don't actually have to find the answer. So another way is this is your total, so we know that 403 plus something has to give me 497. All right, so this one is correct, this one is correct, this one is correct, and this one is wrong. So I'm looking for the one that's not correct, which is letter D. All right, number 8. Miss Isabel saved $9 a week for 8 weeks. Her brother saved $5 a week for 6 weeks. So 9 times 8 equals 72, and then 5 times 6 equals 30, and I want to know how much they saved all together, so we add them together and we get 102, which is letter A. Okay, moving on. Okay, Miss Clark did some research on some Texas cities, and we want to know which comparison is true for San Antonio, El Paso, and McAllen. So we don't need Dallas, cross that one out, and we don't need Houston, cross that one out. And look at your answer choices. Which ones can we cross out too? So if you notice, this has Dallas and Houston. We don't even need that one at all, okay? So what I'm going to do to make my life easier is I'm going to put them in order from least to greatest, okay? So the least is going to be McAllen, so that's first, 48,123. Then San Antonio is second, 51,321. And El Paso is third, 55,998. All right, so here we go. Is 51,000 less than 55,000? Yes. Is 55,000 less than 48,000? No, so that's wrong. Is 48,000 bigger than 51,000? No, so that's wrong. And we already crossed that one out. So D is correct. Number 10. On her 18th birthday, Lucia received $175 from her parents, $55 from her brother. Then she went to the mall and spent. That means you subtract. How much does she still have left? So first we start with adding these two. So 175 plus 55. Added together, you get 230. Then she spent, so we got to subtract 230 minus 87. Okay, got to borrow. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 12, 4, 1. So $143 left. Number 11, sandwiches cost $5 each. Sodas cost $3 each. How much do 8 sandwiches, so $5 times 8 sandwiches equals $40. $3 times 7 sodas equals $21. Added together, $61. On the page. In the fall of 2017, the number of students attending the University of Texas of San Antonio is 36,987. So I'm going to write it here, 36,987. St. Mary's University was higher. Which of them is not higher? Which one is not higher? So that's higher. 89 is higher than 87. That's higher. 99 is higher than 87. This one is not higher because 65 is less. And this one is definitely higher. So that one is your answer. Number 13, Mrs. Nettles has $403. She bought groceries, so we're gonna subtract. Then she added more, so we're gonna add here. How much does she have now? So we start with 403, subtract 139, and we get 264. Then we add 264 plus 95. We get 359. So 359 is your answer. All right, number 14. All right, so we have 8 basketball jerseys, and the football jerseys were 4 times as many as the basketball. So how many were that? So this is 8, this is 8, this is 8, this is 8. And you can add 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, or 8 times 4, and they both give you 32. Okay, last problem. Over 3 months, Miss Carrillo ran a total of 175 miles. In May, she ran 68. In June, she ran 70. How much did she run in July? So the total is 175. So that should be like that. And then we're going to cut it into 3 pieces because this is May, June, July. So May was 68, June was 70, and we don't know July. So we're looking for one that looks like mine, which is C. All right.